Can you put some ornaments on the tree? Is that your dancing? Liam, can you put some ornaments on the tree? Show Mommy's making a video for Grandma and Grandpa. Can you show them how you can hang stuff? Liam?
No, it's dancing.
You're just dancing? No time? Can you show Grandma and Grandpa what you did so far? Look at all those ornaments. Liam height.
Liam height.
You ready to do one? Which one are you going to do?
This one.
Okay.
It's got an animal on it.
It's a moose.
I don't know.
Where'd you go? You do it?
Yes!
Okay, get another one.
Okay.
Someone's on a sugar high. Which one are you going to do now?
I don't have another one.
What about that big Santa one? What about this one right here? You have a spot for that one?
Yes, I do.
Okay, over here. Ooh, good job. You all done? Oh my goodness. Okay, say Merry Christmas.